So these are the signs. When you read the Quran, you will find these signs. So if you learn them carefully, inshallah, whenever you find these signs in the Quran, you will be able to pause according to the sign. All right. So for the letter ta, is this is the sign of waqf mutlaq. So it's better to pause at it. All right. For the jim, it's better to pause at it, but it's also permissible to continue. Similarly, za is the opposite of jim, so it's called waqf mujawwaz. Okay, so it's permissible to pause, but it's better to avoid pauses so you can continue. And last two, sod and lam alif. So for sod, this is waqf murakhas and will not pause at it. And the last one is the lam alif. Sometimes you will see like that in the Quran. I think listening. I guess so. You're just there. Are you listening?
Yeah,
No, no. I think I'm
tired.
just talking. You're thinking something else.
I'm
You're
tired.
tired. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. I will gonna ask you. Just let's finish this one first. So if the sign, you can see a circle and the lam alif on the top is present above the verse. So there is a difference of opinion about whether to pause or not. So when you see this sign, lam alif on the top of a circle, so there is a different opinions in the people, like whether to pause or not. So you can use both. But if the lam alif is present without any word sign, it's alone, so will not pause. Okay. So when it's alone, will not pause. When it's with a circle or anything on the top of it, so we're gonna pause or not. It's up to us. We can either do both. Got it? Now this is called iyada. Iyada means to have waqf and then repeat from the previous word and then continue reading. Like for example, Alhamdulillah, and then we'll go back again. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Or I can give you another example like Ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim, like that. So like when you go back to the word and then you read, it's called iyada. Got it? So let's move towards the waqf rules. Read this one, please. How do we waqf? Let me hide the bottom part so that you will be able to waqf. Okay. Okay, so you need to do waqf for this one. First read the upper part and then do waqf, please. No, no, no. How is this a kasra? Well, let's pause. MashaAllah. Do pause here. How do we say?
Half course.
No, first do. Okay, we took a pause. Very, very nice. Okay, what about okay, this one. Pause. Yeah, do pause here. Better. Okay, read this one. Pause. Shay will stretch at the pause. Okay, read this one. Ta will bounce because ta is the letter of qalqala. Pause. Yeah. Qis ta. Yes, good. Okay, do this one, please. Read this one. Pause here. Just do pause directly. Qaf is a qalqala letter. Good job. MashaAllah. Okay, read this one, please, without spellings. Do pause. Very nice. How do we pause here, by the way? Pause, pause.
جارية
MashaAllah. So what did you do at the end? You change the circular ta into the ha sakin.
ها
MashaAllah. Okay, what happened to the letters of madda when you pause? These are the three letters of madda in the same line. So can you read this one with the pause?
فيها تحسدوا
So
قولي
you read same. You didn't change anything. MashaAllah. Alright, that's very nice.